So after uploading the files on your web server, then go to the URL where you uploaded it, and then you will see a button install now. Click here. Then the software installation wizard will appear. Then first of all, check the requirements by clicking this button. So if you see these green dots, that means the required extensions are available on your server. If doesn't, then please enable or install these extensions on your server. Then check the permissions button. So you need these three folders, these three directory permissions to write files. So then click the config environment, then click form wizard setup. So write your app name here, whatever you want to write. Twitter, then okay, type your URL, setup database. So here you have to put a database name, database username, and database password. So if you don't know how to create a database, so follow me. Log into your cPanel, then find the database section, database. So in here you'll see my SQL database wizard. Click here. If you already know how to create database, please skip this part. So create your database, name it. Remember, your database name will be this full Trinolab underscore the name. Okay, this full things will be your database name. Next step, then the user for this database. So user, whatever you want, your name, the password, type again. Okay, then create user, then check this box all privilege, and next step. Okay, then your username and database name here. So put this database name and username, put your database name, username, and the database password. Then set up application, and if you used to mail, you can configure here, but now we don't need this, so we are going to skip this part. Next, install. Yeah, if your application installs successfully, then you will see something like this: application has been successfully installed and there is no error. And click here to exit, and yes, this is your software. So now you have to go login. Remember, the default username and password is admin@email.com, and password is 123456. Here it is. Thank you for watching.